What does meditation do? Meditation can produce a deep state of relaxation and a tranquil mind. During the process, you'll focus your attention and eliminate the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding your mind and causing stress. This process may result in enhanced physical and emotional well-being. Meditation can also strengthen areas of your brain responsible for memory, learning, attention, and self-awareness. The practice can also help to calm down your sympathetic nervous system. Over time, mindfulness meditation can increase cognition, memory, and attention.